What's up guys, Isaiah here, Blackout Tinting. It is Wednesday, you know what's going on. Let's check out the shop. Starting off, we have this brand new 23 Red Mist C8. She's looking great. She's gonna be getting a track package in our 10 mil option. So that's gonna take care of the frunk, the bumper, the black carbon flash pieces, front fenders, side view mirrors, and then even the bottom rocker pieces going back behind the rear wheel well. So typically for a sports car, that's gonna take care of all the high impact areas that would normally get damaged. And then once she's done with that, we'll be following up with a ceramic coating, the Fusion Plus option. And then beside it, we have a beautiful Rolls-Royce Dawn. This is going to be getting a full wrap when it comes to paint protection film in our 10 mil option. And that's going to take care of every single painted panel on here, as well as a coating is going to be getting done afterwards. Tint is also up next for it. I believe that will happen tomorrow. All right, guys. Raptor from Ford, getting a full front clip package. So that's going to take care of all the gloss pieces here. So hood, fenders, this front bumperette area. And then for the areas that are smooth, we actually put our stealth option there to maintain the satin finish that came from factory. It's just getting its final touches, and it is also going to get a ceramic coating as well. Big old truck, 3500 Silverado. She just came in for a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Just needed a one pass. She is looking great, curing, and should be ready to go home pretty soon. Here's the interesting project for the past week. We took this black Chevy Traverse and we are making it 2080 3M matte military green. Just doing our finishing touches on here. Door handles need to go back on, side view mirrors, as well as the bumper, and other things need to be just reaffixed, but she'll be good to go home, hopefully by end of day today. And then man, look at these hardworking gentlemen here. Doing paint protection film to the hood as well as bumper of this 2022 Honda CR-V. So great thing about paint protection film, if the vehicle is important to you, it can protect it as well. So give us a call. We'd love to work with you no matter what vehicle you have. T working hard, tinting this brand new 2023 Jeep Wrangler 392. Big old engine in this. And the customer had elected to do a full XR Plus tint job in 5%. So that's gonna be our top of the line heat rejection film. That's gonna block and reject about 98% of the heat that you feel that would normally come through your glass. All right, up next guys, we have a 2020 Ram here. We ended up doing vinyl as well as tint to it. So if you take a look here, all the areas that are black is where we put vinyl on. He wanted to simulate a two-tone kind of vehicle, and so we did that for him, and we tinted the front windows to match the rest of the vehicle. Got another Ram here. This is up for a paint correction as well as various paint protection film pieces. I'm gonna get her prepped up pretty soon, and then she'll be next to get work done. Next to her though, we have this Charger. We actually did work to it several months ago. It might look familiar, but unfortunately this customer had hit some deer and needed to have some pieces replaced. We took care of that for him. She's looking good, ready to go home as soon as the customer picks up. 2017 Jaguar F-Type. This is a beautiful coupe that's actually pretty fast. Customer has a lot of plans to do some more mods to it, make it quicker than it already is, but he's doing a full paint protection film wrap on this vehicle. And the great thing that's gonna be about this, I'm not sure if you can see it in the light, but there's a lot of micro scratching to the surface. Once we're done with our application of the film, all of that's gonna be hidden and it's gonna look pristine. It is our local flat glass man. He's on the road again. He's gonna go tint some homes and stop some fading. Saving the best for last. So here we have a beautiful 2023 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Very special edition. I believe it's called a black badge or a black label edition. A lot of blacked out trim on here. Even the goddess of luck on the front emblem is blacked out. We're going to be doing a full paint protection film wrap on it as well as coating and tinting the fronts to match the rest of the vehicle. And this is for our good friend Midnight SCC. All right guys, that's it here for the LATROBE shop. Luke, what do you got going on in Gibsonia?
What's up guys, it's Wednesday, so let's take a look at what's going on here in the Gibsonia shop. Here we have an in-progress ceramic coating. We have the entire body currently done. We're just finishing up on the wheels right now. And before this went over to Mark's ceramic coating area, we did a full front paint protection film along with a wear and tear kit. Next up for a full wrap is this beautiful TRX. Right now, this is all gloss painted. You can see it's a two-tone look. And very soon, we're gonna have the stealth film applied to this, which is gonna give it a satin finish as opposed to its standard gloss finish. Once that's done, we're gonna ceramic coat the entire vehicle. In the tint bay is this 1996 Ford F350. This is in for our Prime CS 5% tint on the side windows, the back window, and the visor. In the back, you can see our two vehicles all getting full wraps in our paint protection film. On the left, we have a brand new BMW X7 M60i. This is getting a combination of both Ultimate Plus and Stealth. The Stealth will be on the front, where you see the grille has that satin finish from the factory. So that will be done in Stealth, and the rest of the vehicle will be done in our Ultimate Plus Glossy Finish Paint Protection Film. Once that is done, we'll be tinting the 2 front windows to match the back section, along with doing a ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Also in for a full wrap this week is this 2005 Ford GT. We'll be protecting all painted surfaces of the vehicle in our Ultimate Plus Paint Protection Film, and then topping it off with the Nexpel Fusion Plus ceramic coating. On the lift, we have this BMW M340. We got Steve doing the final touches on this. Yesterday got a front bumper, full hood, and mirrors. After touch-up, we'll be sending it over to Mark in the ceramic coating area to get a Fusion Plus ceramic coating applied.
All right, guys, that's all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it to Patrick in Miami.
What's going on, everybody? It is finally Wednesday, so we're back again for the What's in the Shop. As you can see, Nathan is over here doing some work. He is down here for a few weeks to do some things. So let's take a tour and see what we have going on this week. All right, so starting up, we have a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Willys. This is for a good customer of ours, David and Christy. They're actually dropping off another cool car and picking this one up. This one got a full Nexpel Fusion Plus ceramic coating, so it is ready to go home. Gotta love this. They have a whole bunch of different cool stickers over the Jeep. Look at the yellow on this. It's so beautiful. All right, and then this is our next project here. This is a vintage Bronco. So if you go on Instagram, type in vintage Broncos, it's actually a manufacturer up in Georgia, but they do like these Redstone mods. So I believe this one is, I think Jade Metallic, is what the customer called it, but it is an absolute beauty. So this is getting a full Nexpel Ultimate Plus wrap. Everything has to be custom. There are no kits for this. So we're gonna be wrapping every single painted surface on the vehicle, as well as the painted roll cage on the interior and a couple of interior pieces. And then it's getting the Nexpel Fusion Plus ceramic coating as well. So this is our next big project. You can see up here with our wrap edges, how we wrapped over the edge here. We're letting it dry before we trim it. And then we're gonna tuck it all underneath, that way you can't even tell the film is installed. All right, and lastly, this is a Honda S2000. This is gonna be getting a full paint correction and Nexpel Fusion Plus ceramic coating over everything. This is a beautiful red, but it does have a lot of scratches and swirls in it. You can see there they go with the Wrangler. It's finally heading home. Let's take a look at this in the sun. It definitely has a lot of water spots and scratches and swirls all over this. The vehicle actually is ceramic coated. It was done a few years ago, but we're definitely gonna get it all corrected and back to looking like glass again. Get rid of all these scratches and swirls. All right, and that's all that we have going on here at the Miami location here this week. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our videos. We'll catch you guys next week.